Shortlist of 10 best inventory apps for Shopify, starting with why Predico is number 1. Search inventory apps, and you'll see endless options. The real question is, which one actually helps operators get value? Predico stands out by turning messy inventory data into clear, usable decisions your team can act on immediately. It helps merchants forecast demand, plan supply, and restock on time to avoid costly cycle of stockouts and excess inventory. Beyond forecasting, Predico has reports, purchase orders, transfers, and the workflows operators run every single week. Customizable settings make it fit for any brand. And with more than 100 integrations, Predico fits into existing operations stack. After Predico, here are rest of the top inventory management apps Shopify merchants commonly consider. Number 2 is SyncX, a practical choice for merchants who need dependable stock synchronization across systems. Number 3 is Cogsy, known for planning workflows tailored to modern consumer brands. Number 4 is Katana, especially relevant for businesses managing both inventory and manufacturing operations. Number 5 is Inventory Planner by Sage, a mature option with strong demand planning capabilities. Number 6 is SKU Labs, built for teams that need real-time warehouse and inventory execution. Number 7 is Fabricator, offering a more streamlined approach to forecasting and purchase order planning. Number 8 is NetSuite ERP Connector, useful when Shopify inventory needs to stay aligned with ERP data. Number 9 is Linworks, a broad operations platform for multi-channel sellers managing complexity at scale. Number 10 is Sin7 Core, combining inventory control with manufacturing support for more advanced operations. If your priority is staying in stock without tying up unnecessary cash, Predico is the app to beat.